Want to build muscle fast, without equipment? In just 3 weeks in this video, I'll show you some powerful exercises that will help you build muscle like iron. And make sure you stick around till the end, because the last exercise is a game changer. It's an all-in-one powerhouse that not only builds muscle but burns fat like crazy. Let's get started. Exercise 1. On the list, we got push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most effective upper body exercises for building muscle and strength because they target multiple muscle groups simultaneously. By engaging your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core, push-ups not only build muscle but also improve functional strength for daily activities. They're also great for improving shoulder stability and posture. For beginners, start with incline push-ups or knee push-ups. Advanced variations like archer or clapping push-ups increase intensity and help recruit more muscle fibers, leading to faster gains. To perform a proper push-up, keep your body in a straight line, lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground, and push back up explosively. If you're a beginner, modify it by dropping your knees. For advanced variations, try diamond or explosive push-ups to push your limits. With your upper body activated, it's time to build power and muscle in your lower body. Squats. Exercise 2 squats are the king of lower body exercises. They target your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging your core and lower back to improve stability. Squats don't just build muscles, they enhance joint mobility, boost overall athletic performance, and improve balance. Regular squatting also stimulates the release of muscle-building hormones like testosterone and growth hormone. To perform a squat correctly, keep your back straight, chest up, and knees aligned with your toes as you lower your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Pushing through your heels will ensure maximum muscle engagement and prevent injury. For an added challenge, try pulse squats or add explosive jumps at the top. Now that your lower body is pumped, let's turn up the intensity with a fast-paced exercise that works your entire body. Exercise 3 mountain climbers are a dynamic, high-energy exercise that builds core strength while also engaging your shoulders, chest, and legs. What sets mountain climbers apart is their ability to combine muscle building with cardiovascular conditioning. They increase your heart rate, which helps burn fat while strengthening your stabilizing muscles. They're particularly great for targeting the deep core muscles that support your spine and improve overall balance. To perform mountain climbers, start in a high plank position, drive your knees alternately toward your chest as quickly as possible, and maintain a steady rhythm. The faster you go, the more calories you burn while still building muscle endurance. Speaking of keeping your heart rate up, let's move to an exercise that combines muscle activation with cardio, jumping jacks. Exercise 4. Jumping jacks are more than just a warm-up exercise. They're a full-body movement that activates your shoulders, calves, and core. The constant jumping motion improves your cardiovascular health and helps burn calories, while the repeated overhead movement strengthens your shoulder and arm muscles. Additionally, jumping jacks enhance coordination and endurance, making them a versatile and functional exercise. To perform them, jump with your legs spreading wide while your arms clap overhead, then return to the starting position. To make them more effective, try to maintain a steady pace and land softly to protect your joints. To make it even harder, try adding resistance bands or incorporating plyometric-style jumping jacks for explosive power. After all that jumping, it's time to slow things down and focus on a strength-building classic: lunges. Exercise 5 lunges are an essential exercise for isolating each leg and developing balanced strength. They target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, while also improving hip flexibility and stability. Lunges mimic natural movement patterns, which means they help strengthen muscles you use in daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or running. They also challenge your balance, which engages your core and smaller stabilizing muscles. To perform lunges correctly, take a big step forward, lower your back knee toward the floor, and push through your front heel to return to standing. Alternate legs and aim for controlled, deliberate movements. For an extra challenge, try reverse or walking lunges to work your muscles differently. Now that you've worked every major muscle group, let's finish strong with an all-in-one powerhouse exercise that delivers unmatched benefits. Exercise 6 high-intensity interval. Training, also known as HIIT, isn't just an exercise. It's a workout philosophy that changes the game. By alternating between short bursts of maximum effort and brief recovery periods, HIIT forces your body to work harder than it would during steady-state cardio. This triggers a phenomenon called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, which keeps your metabolism elevated for hours after your workout. Bonus workout plan. Since you've stayed with me this far, here's a bonus workout plan to help you reach your goals even faster. For an effective 3-week plan to build muscle and burn fat, train 5 days a week with a mix of strength and HIIT-focused days. On strength days, perform 3 sets of push-ups, 12 to 15 reps, squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, and lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg, focusing on controlled movements and proper form. On HIIT days, do 30 seconds each of mountain climbers and jumping jacks, repeating for 4 rounds with 20 seconds of rest between rounds to maximize intensity. Alternate between these 2 workout types, resting or engaging in light recovery activities like stretching or yoga on the remaining 2 days to allow your muscles to rebuild and grow stronger. Stick to this plan, progressively increase your intensity, and you'll see incredible results in just 3 weeks.